Hello again. So here in my hand is a Game Boy Color. It's a Pokemon Special Edition Yellow with a game called Pokemon Gotta Catch 'em All Crystal version. This was bought in early 2000s and I believe that this dates back to 2001, and this was a special edition in the UK and it was on clearance, so they were getting rid of these quite cheap at the time. So that's £19.99, so that would have been £20 for this back then. Now, I never had my own Game Boy up until that time, so they obviously had been around for quite a bit before. I did get to play Tetris quite a few times on my wife's brother's original Game Boy, the mono sort of screen, the LCD, the black and white. So when I saw one of these at the time, didn't really have too much interest in it, but I thought, wow, I get that, because one day in the future it might be something that my own kids can have a look at and play with. And I've got a couple of games, including Tetris, and this game as well. So it's not been opened since I bought it, so I think I opened it once when I bought it, and that was it. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing just to show you. It came with this wraparound sort of case, well, sleeve for it, and let's have a look. So just to recap on the back, it says that it introduces some colour into your life. The Pokemon Special Edition Game Boy offers endless entertainment for players of all skill levels through its huge range of games and innovative colour display. Batteries included. So I'm hoping I haven't left the batteries in here. And if I have left them in here, I hope they haven't gone bad. So let's see. I don't really want to be ripping this about too much. Okay, so there's instructions there. We'll look at that in a minute. Okay, so maybe that doesn't come out. I was trying to pull the whole of that cardboard out, but I won't. So let's just pop that down. So just see what we've got. So we've got this, I guess it's instruction guide there for the game, which hasn't been played, unfortunately, but it will get played, hopefully, if it's working. So that's Pokemon Crystal version. Warranty card, instructions, probably just quick instructions. Watch out for epilepsy. Okay. There's a advert for more games. Is it a little poster of sorts? I guess it's like a little mini poster really, with the adverts on. Oh, and the instructions there for the Game Boy Color. Okay, so this is it here. Yep, pretty clean. Now, I know there was a yellow version of this that came out, so this is the special edition. There was a different version of this with different characters on the front, and if someone would like to tell me who these are, then that would be good. Just leave it in the comments. I'm not going to try pronouncing anything or get anything wrong. I don't want to offend anyone. So let's have a look. Okay, oh, I can see that something might be a problem here. So inside this game there's a battery, and I guess maybe a lot of these games did have batteries. Yeah, it's pretty clean. It's the only game that's actually ever been plugged into this, so that might be something that has to be maybe cracked open to change, but maybe that just means you can't save your game as you go forward. You have to keep starting again. So anyway, oh, there are some batteries in here, and they look like they might have gone slightly. Okay, Oh, very slightly. A little bit of dust there. Okay. I'm normally very good at taking batteries out of things. I'm going to give that a quick wipe now and try some new batteries. I've cleaned this up. It wasn't too bad at all, so I think I lucked out there. So well done, Panasonic, on your batteries. I've had some name brand batteries and they've destroyed things when you leave them in there too long, so that's really good. So I'm going to put in some fresh batteries and I will close this up as well. The overall feel of this is nice. It's it feels well made. It's obviously plastic. It's pretty lightweight until you put the batteries in, and then obviously when you put the game in, it's going to add a little bit of weight there. So let's just see. Yeah, so it's starting to feel a bit heavier. So let's have a look. So you've got a control pad here. You've got a couple of buttons here, and there's a select and a start. There's a built-in speaker there with a little display there and a power indicator. At the bottom you've got headphones, power adapter that can be used there, so that's 3 volts in, which makes sense. There's a volume there, external port there, which I believe you can get a cable for to link you to other Game Boy players, so you can have a joint game, and you might be able to use this for something else like a printer. So in here it looks like there's a place that you can have a strap. So I don't think it came with a strap, no, so maybe it didn't. So there's a infrared port there, obviously the cartridge port on the back, and the all important off and on. Okay. So it's not backlit. You do need good lighting in front of you to be able to see that. No idea what's going on. Okay, that's full volume actually. (2001) Pokémon Crystal version. Alright. Okay, looks like you interact with people. Walk around. Okay, so I'm not going to show you much more of this. It's something I think I probably need to spend a bit of time getting into, and then I'm actually going to let my daughter have a go with this. So she's 12. She might not be particularly interested. My son's a bit younger. He's 6, so it might not make too much sense to him. All these words, I don't think he can probably read them all at the moment. Okay, well thank you for watching, and any comments in the video, please can you add them, and I'll do some more in the future, some more videos in the future. Bye for now.